Alrighty, we're going to go under here and look for oil leaks. Somebody suggested to me a while back that that clutch chatter could be from oil, and they could be right. A little bit of oil on here, but I think that could just be from not being tightened up. I mean, not from having me take it out and put it back in. Might have got a little bit on the side of the filter. I'll wipe that off. Take a Alrighty, speedometer cable. Where you at? You'll see it, there it is, way up there. Up on the other side of that mountain, way back there. That's the speedometer cable. I think this is it. Not sure. Gonna go up through the floor there somewhere. They aren't usually that hard to change. I'm gonna go back and look around on the gas tank area. Generally what we used to use, get these things off with a little short pair of pliers. Reach up in there and get a hold of it and twist on it. Yeah, that's the business end right there. I got my finger on it. I get that loose. I think I can with a I think I can get a small pair of pliers on that end and get it off. Go get me a pair. Alrighty. Let's see if I can get my hand back up in there. The right spot. Probably a lot easier to do this when I was 25. I get my little skinny belly up under that steering wheel back in. Not so easy to get my little skinny belly under there now. And on top of that, my little skinny belly ain't that skinny anymore. It's almost the point, man. Ain't that skinny anymore. Dang. And that's what happens if you get old. You get old and fat sometimes, in spite of everything. Dang, I say. You have to kind of do this by feel because you can't see up in there, but get your hands on that thing and turn it a little bit, it'll come on. It ain't real hard, it's loosening. It's a loosening, it's a good thing. Okay. This end is loose. Now I'll pull it down. We're going to take a look at it. Y'all see it. Okay, that's the business end of a speedometer cable. You notice how that's a square shaped cable. That square shape goes into the back of the speedometer. This thing turns when the wheels go around. If it works, I could actually test it right here. If I crank it and put it in gear, if that worked, the wheels, that thing would go around. I'm gonna let the clutch out. Okay, the wheels are going around, but it ain't turning. You see that? That's a definite product fail right there. So, generally, what that means is it's broke somewhere. And the fix for that is to pull it out and put a new one in. Now, it's got to pass through a hole in the firewall there. And to be honest with you, that ain't a very big hole. It don't look like it's big enough for that to go through. But it must have come through there. Let's take a look at it. Because this definitely got to come through. going back on there. I bet it's going to be a tight fit, but I bet it will go. Yeah, tight fit, but it'll go. I think I'm right about that. Alright, so let's go under the car now. I'm going to do the same thing underneath.